Maavybooks recording and managing incomes in Incomebook. Maavybooks simplifies the process of recording and managing the incomes received by a business. Recording incomes is pretty easy in Maavybooks. In this video, we will learn how to record, edit, delete, and manage incomes in Maavybooks Income. Click on Incomes button on the dashboard to reach Incomebook. You can also navigate to Incomebook using sidebar. On the Incomebook, we can see a chart showing summary of all your incomes. To record your income, visit Create Income section in Incomebook. You just have to enter few basic details to record your first income in Incomebook. Transaction number is the unique number generated by Maavybooks for your every transaction. This makes it easy to record, view, edit, and delete transactions in Maavybooks. Start by entering the date of income transaction. Enter the voucher number of your income and then enter the GSTIN of the firm from where the income is being received, as it is always better to keep track of your GST. Next, select the type of your income transaction, that is, whether the income is received in cash, bank, or has been accrued that is yet to be received. Select outstanding for accrued income. If it is cash, select cash. For bank, select type as bank and also select the bank account in which the income is said to be received. If bank is not displayed in your bank select box, you can simply add it by visiting the Add Bank section in Bankbook. In case it is outstanding income, select type as outstanding and give a little to your outstanding income transaction. After selecting the type, enter the amount and also the GST's data applicable. Better SGST, CGST, and IGST. You just have to enter the GST percentages and it will automatically calculate the GST and total amount of income. Finally, enter the particular including details about your income transaction. Recheck all the details entered by you. Although it can be edited afterwards, but checking it before submitting is a good practice. Now, click on Submit button. If all the details are filled correctly, you will be redirected to the income note page. Here, you can either print your income note or send it to others using Share ID. Share ID is a unique feature of Maavybooks that enables fast transferring and recording of income transactions without much effort. It will be shared as expenses for other person's business account and will be shown under Expense Book Receipt. You just need their Share ID to share the income notes instantly. Congrats, you have successfully recorded your first income in Income. You can now view your incomes under Reports section of Income and use View button to view complete income note. You can also use multiple filters for easy tracking of data. You can view the history of your recorded income transactions like date and time of transactions in History section of Income. Also, you can view your sent income notes under the Sent Income Notes section of Income Book. They will be recorded as for others, and you can view all the income notes received using Share ID under the Received section of Income Book. They were initially recorded as expenses in others' books. You can add the received transactions to your income book by clicking on the Add button in Received section beside the transaction you want to add to your income transactions. You just have to click the button and the transaction will be automatically added to your income reports without any requirement of re-entering the complete same data. You can also check that if the income notes sent by you using Share ID are being recorded by other individuals or firms as their expenses. In the Add Up History section of Income Book, all the sent income notes being recorded and accepted by other parties as their expense transactions will be seen here. This will make it easy to keep track of all your transactions with other individuals and firms. Editing income transactions. Editing the income transaction is also very simple in Maavybooks. Just go to Report section in Income Book and click on Edit. You can see the pre-filled form with all your details. Change the details you want to edit and then click on Submit. You will be redirected to the income note page. You can again print this income note or share it using Share ID. An income transaction is again simple. Just go to Report section under Income Book. Click on Delete button beside the transaction you want to delete. A dialog box appears. Click Yes if you want to delete this income transaction. The transaction will be deleted from your income reports. You can check history of all your initial entries, updations, and deletions under the History section of Income. Hope this tutorial helped you record and manage incomes in Maavybooks Income. Happy accounting journey ahead!